Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do teleporting prank on Omegle. To do this, you need two webcams and Omegle fake loading video. You can search and download fake loading video from YouTube. So enough talking, let's go. First open OBS Studio. Now you have to add your first webcam to OBS Studio. After that, you have to add Omegle loading video that you have downloaded. Click on plus icon and add media source and select that video. Now you have to click on loop and click OK. When you hide loading screen, they can see your webcam 1. Now again, add your second webcam to OBS Studio. After that all, I will show you how to do that prank. When stranger is connected, they can see your webcam too. So talk to the stranger and hide your webcam too in OBS Studio. After that they can see your loading screen. Now they think you have escaped. After that just hide loading video. Now they can see your webcam 1. When you have looking at webcam 2 and just unhide it and they can see it. So now start virtual camera in OBS Studio and open your browser. Now go to the browser settings and search camera. Then go to the site settings and go to the camera. Then select OBS virtual camera as a webcam. I have renamed it as HD webcam, so you can see that. Now go to the Omegle and click on video, and I am going to show you how these pranks going on. Just simply hide webcam 2 and wait little bit and then hide loading video. That's all. I hope this video helps you. So don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching.